Break ID number 3070. 2018 Gold Standard Football 2-box break. Here's the alphabetical list. Go. There's more of this up there. There's some Chronicles baseball up there also that's running out, and a 4-box of Chronicles with 12 autos. The next Signature Series 5-box is down to 8 spots. There you go. Marshawn Lynch to 99. Quentin Nelson to 49. Aaron Jones jersey auto to 125. Green Bay. Wayne S.O. The first one is done, Brandon. The second one is now. The first one will be emailed in about 5 minutes. The video. Two-color patch auto, Deontay Foreman to 49. Houston. Diane B.A. Brandon, are you on our mailing list, or do you like our Facebook page? Rookie jersey auto to 99, Jalen Samuels. Pittsburgh. David E.D. Jumbo jersey to 125, Jimmy Garoppolo. '49ers, Wayne S.O. Newly minted jersey to 199, Cortland Sutton. Denver, Robert K.A. Five left in Chronicles, 1 box, 12 left in the 4-box. Only 3 fillers left in Hoops Basketball. All right, I'll make sure that you're on, Brandon. Corey Davis to 99. TJ Watt to 25. Rasheem Green, Golden Rookies auto to 149. Seahawks, Russell GR. Mason Rudolph, jersey auto to 99. Pittsburgh, David E.D. Do you get daily emails, John? Look at that patch. 1, 2, 3, 4 color patch. Gold Rush to 49, Leonard Fournette. Jaguars. Robert K.A. White gold jersey to 125, Russ Wilson. Seattle, Russell GR. And Michael Irvin, gridiron gold jersey to 125. Dallas, Wayne, SO. All right.